Tactic 26 again. We are going to be doing good on this one. I am sniping, doing another... Oh, shoot! That was not supposed to happen. But we are doing another quick scoping montage. And yeah, so, yeah. It may look like my gun is gold a little, but no. No, you guys that think I got gold guns already, no. It isn't. So, yeah. Thanks for watch this video and just have fun. And CP is helping us, so he'll be talking in this video.
CP's a good friend. We're gonna try to make him on time. We don't know if we will.
Yeah.
More you,
and leave a comment if you want us to put like some background music.
If more of you people subscribe, we will know that we're not just wasting our time, and we will try to make more montages.
What are we playing? How did they all die?
To the right. I mean, I know you're still there.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that was cheap. How'd I miss?
That would have been a good montage.
Okay, apparently that went through his head, not in his head. This is more of a montage of dying. Sorry guys. It's supposed to be a montage of getting kills. And he's dead. Oh, what?
RPG isn't real strong anymore. Sometimes it takes 2 hits. If you're not aiming directly on it.
Why do I feel like I'm using the small? What did I get for the RPG? It just said at the top RPG.
Oh, you got a camera.
Captured the headquarters. Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Get inside.
Hostile UAV.
Ah, I was gonna try and do a montage on the sentry.
I don't even know the Montaging using quickscoping. And trick shot.
And what is it? Hard scoping?
No, you can hard scope or whatever. It's just going boom.
Be advised, hostile hunter killer drone inbound.
Oh, so pretty much just like getting a lot of kills non-stop.
Okay, like a song playing and you kill people to the beat of a song. And then you go get another one. Get another one. Like to a beat. Not shooting randomly.
I know.
You actually get the scores.
Ah, well that did not work out so well.
You can